If you'd like to sell items on eBay or Amazon, you need to listen to my tips for the best stores for retail arbitrage. To succeed in retail arbitrage, the first thing you need to do is find your inventory. Big box stores, department stores, and your local retail store are the best places to find inventory. You can also find great deals online, but it's important to do your research and make sure you're getting a good deal before you buy. Once you have your inventory, you need to figure out where to sell it. eBay and Amazon are the two most popular platforms for retail arbitrage, but there are others out there. eBay is a great platform because it has a huge audience, and you can sell items for a higher price than on Amazon. However, Amazon is more competitive and the fees are higher, so you need to be careful when pricing your items. If you see a local store going out of business, you can always contact them about retail arbitrage. I've purchased several store lots this way. If you're looking to get into retail arbitrage, here are a few tips to help you find good deals. Check out clearance racks. Many stores have clearance racks that sell items for a discounted price. This is a great place to find deals on inventory. Contact local stores. If you know of a store that doesn't have a website, you can contact them and ask if they would be interested in selling to you. Many stores are happy to sell to resellers, and you may be able to get a better deal than you would online. Look for sales. Many stores have sales throughout the year. This is a great time to find deals on inventory. Use online tools. Many online tools can help you find good deals on items. Google Shopping, for example, allows you to see how much an item is selling for on eBay and Amazon. This can help you decide if a deal is worth pursuing. Be patient. It takes time to find good deals on inventory, so be patient and keep looking. Eventually, you will find the right deal. I find many great deals for retail arbitrage by checking out the clearance racks at stores like TJ Maxx and other big box discount retailers. You have to look for a really good clearance price in a physical store to make this work. Don't think you have to stick to a higher-end retail store to make retail arbitrage work for you. I have found great deals to flip at dollar stores and chain retailers like Walgreens. Toy stores can be a great place for retail arbitrage around the holidays. Look for the hottest toys to make a healthy profit. Market demand will go up as the toy is harder to find. Check out my blog post for more tips.